Hi guys, today we will meet four animals.
Panda bear, giraffe, monkey, and koala. The giraffe is the tallest animal on earth. The height of the giraffe exceeds 6 meters. The panda lives in China and is easily identified by the black spot on its ears, around its eyes, and around its body. Koala live in the forests of Australia. Monkeys live in different parts of the world. They differ greatly in terms of weight and size.